Welcome to 8 Garden Drive here in Wes-Li Gardens in Smithville. My name is Peggy Cook from the Wayne Skillster team of Remax Escarpment. Let's take a look. This charming bungalow offers comfort, convenience, and a welcoming neighborhood feel. 8 Garden Drive is a well-maintained end unit featuring a spacious open-concept living and dining area that leads to a large private deck, ideal for relaxing and entertaining. This home is one-floor convenience with indoor comfort and outdoor charm, making it a perfect place to downsize without giving up space or style of living. It's a peaceful place to call home. The location here offers the best of small-town living with easy access to local essential amenities here in Smithville, as well as everything the vibrant Niagara region has to offer. If you would like some more information or to book your private viewing, call or text me at 289-339-3751.